YouTube minorities, man. Listen, I'm just finna get into this shit, man. This shit crazy. You know what I'm saying? The minorities back. Back, nigga.
But I take trips, hey. They said me important.
What's going on, America? Quick little announcement. Today's video is going to be slightly different. Typically, when we do a night in the life video, we film outside the club and we film all night. Today's video, we film inside the club. Also, today's video is more of a day in the life that leads to a night in the life. So just wanted to give that heads up so there was no confusion at home. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you guys don't, we'll never do this shit again. You have my word. I pinky promise.
That's my bad. Jump out gang.
Let's just talk to these niggas real quick. Jay, what's the word?
They like, yeah, J-Bo came on fucking up the politics. We were gonna grant y'all as two victims.
We making news. We're about to do a lyrical breakdown and try to catch the cold case.
Fuck a 3, fuck a 2, and I drop 5s in every city.
Fuck a 3, fuck a 2, that equals 5.
That's 5 in every city. What's that one nigga who said,
when all them niggas hopped out the love and started squeezing.
this nigga needs to be put in jail. He's a criminal, Jay.
Popped a rap nigga. He said he was on like 8, not on 10, smoked it.
Oh. Popped a rap nigga who said he was on 8, not on 10. EBK.
EBK, nigga.
We'll probably never figure this shit out, Jay.
Yeah,
It's a cold
God
case.
damn.
I done done YouTube.
Another one got away.
You got away today, Jay. Sometimes it takes years to build good cases.
Hey.
Up here at the mall right now. Jay's grabbing some clothes for the night, preparing for the big fight. He's about to hit the club tonight.
I might need different steppers though. It's one of them ones, and I ain't talking about the fit. I'm talking about the nigga. The number 8 in Chinese is bai. 8 equals bai. Bai equals go. Go translates to number 8, which is the greatest number of all time.
Are you gonna pop at this bitch just bringing her food or what? Just let me know now.
How you doing? Hola. Me llamo Jason, ¿y tú?
When I got female company, I order steaks and shit. Steaks and eggs to show her my masculinity.
But when you're with the boys,
When I'm with the boys, I can let my guard down
you got sweet tooth.
and be myself. We in this motherfucker right now. We preparing for tonight, preparing for the video.
I'm on feet chasing niggas down. I ain't gonna play about it.
I ain't seen
Missions,
niggas.
walk down. We do stand over. I terrorize Richmond.
I gotta take a shower. I gotta get fresh.
It ain't too often we pop out. You know, we usually do the filming outside the clubs and outside the this. Today we gonna go inside the club. You got anything on the bucket list you trying to do when we at the club? What you trying to do in that motherfucker?
Not really.
Just
Truthfully,
fucking
I don't
around.
even want to go to the club.
You know what? You've heard of that before, like a factory reset. You've done that before.
Yeah, what about it?
They need a factory reset.
Who?
Bitches.
They need a factory reset.
I ain't gonna lie, niggas need a factory reset as well. If women are the way that they are now, it's because of men.
Oh, is that right? So it's because of men that women are retarded.
So women don't have any any accountability.
No. They have accountability, but it just so happens there was an uproar in the female community for whatever reason that it was. And the answer that men gave was, okay, we can be considerate of how you feel. And you want an extra $1 for pay? We can give you an extra $1. Well, we won't give $1. How about 75 cents? We can negotiate? Okay. And then it goes from 75 to now we want $1. They just want more and more and more and more and more. It's like you have all these options in the world, but yet you're unhappy.
How long have you been a misogynist?
I never was.
Your actions and your words are very contrary to that statement.
My actions, I ain't done shit. My words don't define me.
What defines you?
My choices.
Yeah.
I ain't made a choice.
You made a
I chose to
choices.
sit my ass down, play Yu-Gi-Oh, and talk to these niggas.
Right, your choices define you. And you choose to say which words that you say.
Brother, you asked for my opinion. That's all I can give you is my opinion.
And the world is saying that these are misogynistic opinions, Jay. That's what the world is saying.
So what? You're either a misogynist or you pander. You're either or.
So which one would you rather be?
Clearly, I chose my side.
Oh God.
Oh, God.
Yo. Like we might be the only two real niggas left, Jay.
There's real niggas left. They just
They hide.
They know what
Nigga, I'm a real nigga.
Deleted
Real niggas out here.
They understand what this shit coming, but we so numb to it at this point. Who gives a fuck?
This
Yo,
shit
man,
comes
look
with
at
deleted
course
channels
it's
and
crazy
things.
just because I
Come with a
can't
lot of
buy my
headaches.
videos.
Don't try this shit at home,
I know,
kid.
it's
You
like,
ever heard of expensive pain?
you in my talk.
This is what you call expensive
Man.
pain.
They're stupid.
Who?
Bro,
Just
like,
women. It's like
be like
y'all
Jay,
got
bro.
all these
Like,
options.
no.
Oh, no, I want to be able to be married. I want to be able to be a working woman. I want to be able to
all
get an
that
education.
comes-
You can get all these
Yeah.
things, but yet you're still just
All that
miserable.
comes-
Keep in mind, this conversation was sparked from a TikTok. This woman was she made a TikTok about basically how
Whoa.
miserable she is as a married woman. So just a little
Whoa.
insight or a little context to how did this
That's
conversation
crazy.
spark. But we're currently chilling right
think
now.
I've seen
I'm
that
playing
TikTok.
chess. Jay's playing Yu-Gi-Oh.
Oh God!
Yo,
you see the win streak? I'm on an 8 win streak. I'm going crazy.
This is what most of our filming looks like, contrary to popular belief. We're supposed to be at the club right now filming, but we figured
The bitches can wait.
the bitches could wait. They're not
The
going
bitches
anywhere.
can
The
wait.
club
Yeah, the
doesn't
bitches
close till
not
2. So instead, we're gonna
Yeah.
go ahead and enjoy a little bit of chess. That's why I have dress pants on. It's because we're filming tonight. But before we film, figure just enjoy ourselves a little bit. You know, we got a great job.
You know what I'm saying? Great job.
Very profitable.
Very profitable.
Oh
Great
wow!
job. Great job.
But yeah, we're just working hard right now. The hardest
Yeah, no
working
doubt,
man.
Hardest working YouTube channel.
Yeah,
You ain't never seen a YouTube channel get deleted at 800K, then 800K again, then at 500K, then at 100K. Realistically, it's like, I ain't gonna lie. In my opinion, a lot of niggas would give up on this shit. Like, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna go be a correctional officer. I'm gonna go be a firefighter, but it is what it is, nigga. We got a good tenure, bro. That's all the nigga can ask for.
Where do you think you would go to work if you weren't pursuing YouTube?
I was actually thinking about that. I think I'd be like a PE teacher or something. But I would work at like a
College?
I would work at like an all boys school.
Oh,
What?
That's different.
Yeah, I'd work at an all boys school and just, you feel me, really get them young niggas game. I ain't trying to work at no college.
Why you want an old boys school?
Because
what
I
do you
know-
have against women? I don't understand this rhetoric.
That's what I'm
It's
saying,
been
bro.
constant.
I'm not saying nothing about women. Why are you bringing up women?
You want to isolate? You want to literally exclude women from being able to be educated? physically?
No, it's
They want PE too, physical education.
yeah. There's millions of PE teachers.
Oh God, I didn't even notice. I got a Louis belt. Cover that.
Louis
Oh
belt.
my
Yeah,
God,
I
you got
think-
money.
Let me cover that.
You got monions.
Bougie. But what was I finna say?
Yeah,
though?
what the hell? I
All
got a
boys
Louis
PE
belt.
teacher, huh?
That all boys school shit is like there's no distraction. Well, then maybe I
Yo.
could go to a regular school.
No distraction. You would have been distracted by the hoes.
No, I'm saying the boys have no distractions, so niggas like they really about they shit. You know what I'm saying? Like you're coming to an all boys school, there ain't no I'm distracted by girls, this and that. No, you came here to be on program, elevate yourself with game, knowledge,
Okay.
physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So it's like if you're committed to that, I should also be, you feel me, committed to your process of making, hopefully making you a better person as well.
Listen, Addy.
Guess we have to fucking go fucking party. Such a drag.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
saying,
we
so
really
it's
weren't
right.
doing ourselves, weren't we, Jay?
I was about to fucking
I
throw
gotta
on
go to
Star
a
Wars
party,
and
bro.
enjoy a good Padme Anakin love story. I guess we can go too.
So yeah, we just some ladies
Like,
just
oh my God, bro. Like, I'm not going to party. I was like, oh my God, like, bro, we can. This ain't me, bro.
sent us to Addy. It's 20 minutes away.
20
Yeah,
minutes.
we can get ready.
What you trying to do in this
Oh
motherfucker?
God, I actually wanted to make some brownies.
You want to just go get a couple little B-roll scenes, go hit a Walmart, grab some brownies, and watch Star Wars?
Sounds like a pleasurable experience.
No, I'm dead serious, brother. Do you want to do
Some
that?
ice cream on side.
God, vanilla ice cream
Hot
combo, combo deal. You trying to do that? Couple little B-roll scenes, and then nigga, I'm sure there's a 24-hour little grocery store. Grab some brownies and slap some brownies and watch nigga the third Star Wars. That sounds exceptional.
That is the proper way to conclude a trip.
That's the proper way to just conclude a night and a proper way to conclude a video. We should probably get to work, Jay.
Yeah, the next scene,
Probably
you're gonna see a bunch of bitches and us acting like we're having a good time.
Yeah, hopefully tonight won't be too long of a night. We're good actors, so we're gonna make it look like we're having fun out
Yeah.
there. But truthfully, between us, we're not gonna really enjoy ourselves tonight.
Yeah.
Nigga, what's where?
Yeah.
You try to knock some hoes? What you try to do?
Really, I don't. I'm tired. I'm tired of these hoes.
I know the feeling, bro. Like, this be me and my homies, bro. Like, I literally know the feeling, bro. So they try to me and my dad, bro. Literally, also, bro.
Like,
I ain't gonna. I do want to, nigga, brownies, ice cream, and nigga Star Wars.
like that sounds like an
good.
amazing
No,
night.
I'm dead serious.
And we got popcorn. It just all works out.
Yeah, it's meant to.
Popcorn, brownies.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yo,
it's an undefeated night. And boys, this is something you just got to be able to live with this. It's not an off night. It's just a different night.
Yeah.
Truthfully,
It's
this is what
different
most
night.
of our nights consist of. We be chilling, enjoying ourselves, and then we have to go to work. As most people got to clock in. We have to go to work, so we go entertain some hoes, and then come back to this. But this is what most people don't see. But we figure it's about time we start getting a little bit more transparent with you guys and just bond through this camera.
For sure. It looks fun, but I'll be honest, Chad. It's not too fulfilling. It's not too.
What ain't fulfilling these hoes?
All this just
goals.
Passive sex. You heard of passive income?
You get passive sex?
It's a burden. It sounds.
Holy.
Yeah, it sounds crazy, but yeah.
Meanwhile, niggas is out here trying to get active sex. They're actively trying to get sex. You're getting passive sex. It just comes indirectly. Falls in your.
Bro, there's levels to this. Man. Like, there's levels to this. It's like, man, like I don't even want it no more, man. Like I got too much money. I don't even want money anymore. Like I get too much pussy, man. I ain't want no pussy no more. Fuck it. Share something.
It is a burden. It is a burden.
It's some money.
Someone has to carry that burden.
It is a burden.
My back is strong enough to carry the burden.
I don't know if it's strong enough. You might need some help.
Shit, give me the passive income burden. I want that one.
So I'll help you carry that burden.
Okay. Yes.
But together,
need me.
I think we're a great team at carrying that burden. We've carried that burden for years. I think some of these dudes need to help us carry that burden. You know what I'm saying?
Not me though.
Going city to city, just
state to state,
spreading our seed. It's getting ridiculous.
No fun.
The scripture does say, "Spread your seed and be fruitful." Shout out to the Roots. Oh God, like this is good content. This on some genuine shit. Nigga, I swear to God, this could be its own video. Nigga.
He's been saying that all day, guys.
No, look.
Wake up. This could be its own video within itself.
Nigga, I swear to God. This could be the title of the video. What's it called? Like the rain before the storm? You know, like the pregame? Oh, the calm before the storm.
The calm
before the storm. You heard that?
Calm before the storm?
You've never heard that before?
I've heard that before in like a movie or something, but I never really know a storm is never calm.
Is that you talking?
No, I know. This is the calm before the storm. You're anticipating what's to come. This is the calm before the storm. We're chilling before the adventure tonight. And it's like, this could be the video, and then it's like, the next video is the adventure.
The storm.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. But on some genuine shit, this could be a video within itself.
This is the calm.
And then this video is the storm.
I'm being so dead.
That's not, and we could really milk this YouTube shit. Because that's the thing with YouTube.
We haven't been milking it lately.
We've
never been milking.
We spent a long time trying to produce quality, but in today's generation, Jay,
they appreciate quantity.
They appreciate quantity, and at the end of the day, you got to give the people what they want.
True.
You give a fuck about the special effects and the this and that. They want quantity, Jay. Non-stop. You ever heard of fast food? They want, nigga. But this could be the calm before the storm.
All right, I'm gonna get dressed.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Next time you see us.
I just told them we're there in 30, so we got 30 minutes to bullshit. But yeah, we're gonna get ready. Stay tuned. This might be the storm, the calm before the storm. I like that concept. I think that's cool. I just think it's a little different, you know. I told that bitch we'll be there in 30.
See you guys at the storm. 3K likes. 3K likes and we'll leave right now. As soon as it gets to 3K, we will leave.
Hit that like button right now, nigga.
You guys got some time.
I think this is a cool little concept. It's different. I don't know. There might be a group of people who really don't like it, especially because our content is so used to being fast paced and just a whole different vibe.
Maybe they'll appreciate the storm that much more.
Maybe. What you about to throw on? You see, I got on dress pants. I never.
You came with the all black.
I'm about to throw on a hoodie, cold as fuck.
He's the Men in Black right now. Oh, I can't wait to go and sleep in that bed.
No, we really do gotta grab brownies and shit because I'm excited for that.
If you fucking with them suckers, you get smoked punk.
Hold on, chat. Just like the minorities shit, you know what I'm saying? We be working, but like, nigga, I don't want to go work, bro. I don't want to work. I'm gonna take this call, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take this call, chat. I don't want to work. All right, chat, we back. We gon' finish our work, chat. Work.
That nigga said, oh no, how you shit back, I shit over you.
Nigga, it's getting dangerous.
And I swear to God, this nigga talking about anything, dress code, this and that. Nigga, I'm out of here.
That nigga Jay talking crazy right now.
I do padding up or all down?
They both hard, Jay. Understand, you a federal player, you a Hall of Fame type nigga.
I might just go up and then bring it down when it gets really catch my eye.
Two-way gore. Like, you really got options in this shit.
Offense and defense.
You know what I'm saying? You got a hell of a team. That part. Can't lose.
That part.
Can't lose.
Can't
I ain't gonna lie, the glasses really like
federal.
I ain't gonna lie, the glasses damn near turn a nigga up.
These niggas need some meta glasses.
Glasses turn a nigga up.
Buy these motherfuckers for play, for shits and giggles. I bought these motherfuckers
Overseer.
Oh, okay, let's make it happen. Uber's here. Go to the bathroom. When you're done with the bathroom, come join us. But empty your load.
Yeah,
Take a leave.
Yeah, you know, yeah, man, take our piece.
When's the last time you got your shit hit well?
I've been with a white boy for way too long. It's like toast with no butter. It's the truth, because when you're 40 years old, when you hit 40 and a female, your fucking sex drive is like, oh my god.
It goes up?
It raises?
It goes up.
You just are horny
For
all the
real?
time, huh?
Oh my fuck.
What you want in your mouth?
Oh my god.
Just tell me.
Dude, I
Just
get the
say
best
it.
blowjob in town. I have a dick in my mouth at all times, and he does not appreciate it.
You got the best blowjob in town, and we got the best dick in town. What are you trying to say?
Shit.
Train ran on you.
Bro, this shit,
I
I real, bro.
You had a little threesome?
Two guys?
Little
Two
threes.
guys?
Wait, two dudes?
And
Two
Oh,
dudes.
you got ran.
Now, what did you
Oh, you-
prefer, the threesome with two girls or the threesome with two guys?
the girls, because the guys, it was with my boyfriend and his like roommate, one of his roommates.
Your boyfriend shared you?
Yeah, he was.
Your boyfriend?
He was on. Yeah,
Yeah,
How
a
many
little
girls
weird.
you guys got going on?
Bad
at the same
boys.
time?
I just got a wife and a couple hoes.
That's good. You shouldn't have a wife though, because you guys are too young to be settled down. You should just go sow your.
Just have hoes?
Yes. I would say until you're like 35, because whoever you're
Shit,
with now, you
facts.
won't even remember their name in 20 years.
Yeah, straight.
Facts.
Trying to. Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All good. Appreciate
God,
you.
well, I feel like
Yeah, right on, brother. Appreciate you. How do we get to the rooftop? It's like an elevator or something?
I don't know, bro. It's like, bro, the money, energy, dog. Like, the money must look on different shit, dog.
Shout out to Sage. For today's video, we're gonna show you how to talk to girls at the bar.
We're always in somebody's YouTube video, I'm not gonna lie.
Where was y'all hiding at? Y'all was downstairs?
Yeah.
Y'all from out here?
No, I'm from Texas.
Y'all girlfriends?
No, my girlfriend is in Colorado. My man is in Virginia.
Is the light bothering y'all? Y'all good?
No, we're good.
Okay, all good.
As long as we look good.
Meet my homie. This is my homie Jay.
Is this a girls
This is
trip
my
or is
homie,
this
Jay.
we just happen to be here, same place, same time? Oh, y'all live here together? Oh.
This is my twin for real. Souljayy and Sky.
Sonia or Souljayy? You got Asian in you?
No, French.
All right, you can interrogate me. I didn't get your name. What's your name?
My name is Souljayy.
Souljayy?
Yes.
Oh, that's it.
I like
That's
that.
it.
You said you was going to interrogate me. You got any questions?
Yes.
Okay.
What's my question? Oh, West Coast women or
Bro, we got
East
two
Coast
different
women?
shit going on.
Okay, that's different.
Yeah.
I'm into girls also, so we have
Yeah,
confidence.
nah, I love the way I didn't do this.
I love women.
Right, me too.
What's your
Me
favorite thing about women?
You
too.
talk like you're from the West Coast.
Do I?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Okay.
I told her I don't like
What you about to say? Oh, yeah,
Let's
it's
go,
going
try
on.
it.
Yeah, there's only one guy I was ever interested in. One guy ever in the whole world. But I like girls. You lucky duck, you were born with blue eyes.
Are they blue or are they green?
What's the secret to keeping a man? Because a lot of girls know how to get a man, but they don't know how to keep a man.
You gotta be able to compromise.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
Communication.
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Hot take, but you gotta be able to submit. Let's say we work together.
Oh, we
We
are.
work together.
We're locked in. This is a forever thing.
We locked in, baby. Oh,
We would
no.
work together.
You look at me, man.
We would
I'm
work
just spending shit
together
right now.
to be together.
No doubt.
And that's just how it's gonna
No
be.
And I'm
doubt.
willing to work. Are you willing to work?
Yeah, you want to worry,
It
baby?
depends on the man.
This man in front of you.
Yeah.
Oh, bless his own. Basically,
Bless
we
his
both
own.
like each other.
Yo. Yeah, I don't know. I love seeing good game, nigga. Oh
And I
my
slept over at
god.
her house the same night we met. So then basically since the first night we met, we've been like
Yeah.
fucking with each other. But on and
Type
off,
shit.
on and off. She be cheating on me, so.
No matter
Type
what,
shit.
they all
I
cheat.
know.
You ever think you'll try
Facts.
guys one more time? Done. Can't let one guy ruin it for you. I feel like you're giving him too much power.
You like the talent out here in
Facts.
Utah?
No, I don't want to live here anymore.
Where you trying to go?
This was a good interrogation.
Where you trying to go? You trying to go? I'm trying to go.
Where are you trying to go? I just want to know where you want to go.
Yeah.
What, right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit, I'm trying to go home. Like that, I don't know if that's what y'all, bro. I don't know. Like niggas got different priorities. Like I don't know. Like I wouldn't say that just for the play, but like, do I really even want to hit her? Like I don't know, bro. It's like, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like passive. Like you just You get bored of this shit, bro. I'm sorry.
So we talked to a couple other ladies that night, but they were all camera shy. So that pretty much sums up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
This was a good night.
Yeah.
This was a good storm.
We're about to get to the real show of the fucking brownies.
But hope y'all liked today's video. We really came out here just to get a little content.
Yeah.
That was smooth. That was smooth. Little nighttime vibe.
Smooth content, and we almost thought about not coming.
But I ain't gonna lie, my bitch was choosing. God.
The second one or something.
Yeah, bro. Both. Nigga, that second one, I couldn't. Nigga, she wasn't trying to get on camera. That bitch was wet as fuck. We was just talking to a little group, but you feel me? They didn't want to get on camera, and I get it. You feel me? Bitches got boyfriends.
She want to protect the
Her
relationship.
image. Yeah, I respect that.
Yeah,
Look,
I
nigga, her
respect
sister, nigga, she's feeling me.
The bitch that's right here.
Yeah, cause nigga, she basically at some point slips in there like, cause I was like, oh, what's up with your love life? And then her sister goes, oh, she got a boyfriend. Which is, nigga, I asked the question, so it was gonna come out regardless. But it's like, nigga, she was fucking with me.
She wasn't giving boyfriend vibes
at all. It felt like a movie. Like, you know, when you meet somebody and there's a barrier between the love, but
How are we
there's
gonna make this
chemistry
work?
in the air. Oh God, that bitch was hard as fuck. This nigga Jay talking about, let's switch. I'm like, nigga, hold on, nigga.
I'm just thinking, your bitch is my bitch is your speed. I know.
My bitch is your speed. That nigga was greedy. Y'all didn't see because it wasn't on camera. The bitch was wet. Oh God, the bitch was wet. Wet. I swear to God, ain't on some genuine shit. Like, it wasn't even like, oh, she got stupid ass. It was like, she was pretty and feminine. That's all it was. Like, hella pretty and hella feminine.
Bro,
Oh God, and it's like, it wasn't even lust. It was love. It wasn't lust. It was love.
You weren't leading with lust.
Oh God, I was
rule number one.
Rule number one. Y'all see what's going on, man? Shout out to my brother. We about to go grab some brownies.
Wait, I want to get the quote right.
It was love.
You weren't leading with lust.
Oh God, I was
rule number one.
Rule number one. Y'all see what's going on, man? Shout out to my brother. We about to go grab some brownies.
How are we gonna make brownies with no eggs?
We just realized we don't have no eggs,
No vegetable oil?
no pan to even cook the brownies in.
What the fuck? They're wasting hella money trying to DoorDash this.
Nigga just DoorDash brownies. We can't even cook brownies. It's cooked.
Yeah, it's good.
So tonight's night,
A fucking fail.
we're probably gonna. We can still watch.
Star Wars.
Fuck that.
We can still watch Star Wars.
T-E-A-M, rock came with a flash and a B-E-A-M. I'm pushing P out Georgia fee like ATMs. 708 in Valley High with your BM.
Yeah, Zeb actually a pure hooper, bro. Yeah, freaky Uber spinning game. Like, bro, I'm telling you, like, I feel like when you get to a certain point, it's like shit just be regular to you. Like this shit just normal, bro. Like this shit, that's just normal. But like, anyways, Chuck. Shout out to the minorities. Obviously, I get it always. Like these niggas are bad, bro. I'm certain money get deleted, bro. But and back banger. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe. Play fundamentals. I'm on.